This video discusses the use of the CK editor. One of the first things you'll notice here by body is your edit summary. When you select that, that gives you an additional text box. You want to put your summary sentence in here. This sentence will not show up in the body of your article unless you place that here as well. The teaser sentence is going to show up here to let people know information about what you're writing about. The source code lets you see source for the article. If you decide you want to take information from a website or from a Word document, when you capture that information, you want to use your Word button here and paste that information to get rid of as much code as you can. This doesn't always work, and we recommend that you actually just type your information in originally into the article. If you want to take that information out, you have a back button here. You can place that back in. Let's take that out. This is your spell check as you type, and that captures in the mistakes as you're typing. This is a traditional spell check, and it also has a thesaurus for use as well. If you want to increase the size of the window that you're working in, you can grab this bottom right corner and drag your text box to fill the screen. If you've pasted information in here from Word and you want to make sure that your code's erased, you can use that button there. And it doesn't always work. If you start working and something seems to not work correctly, it's recommended that you just type that originally into here. Your graphics and your flash button we'll discuss in a later video. If you want to insert a table, you have a basic table feature here. Now when you start typing, the adjustment will be made when you save the article to fit the proper web size. If you need to insert a symbol, you have that option here. This will maximize your screen, and this will show the blocks that you're working in. There are several options for headers. This is your normal header. We have a heading 2 option, which is the largest and maroon, and the heading 3 option, which is a little smaller. We also have bold, italicize, and underline. Bold, underline is not recommended because that usually refers to a link. If you find this information here would probably be better numbered or bulleted, you have those options as well, and you can indent those or take the indentation away. If you have a great quote that you want to put in quotation marks, there's the quote feature as well, and you won't see this until you save the article. If you need to link something, you want to go grab your URL and make sure your link is highlighted. Select your link button, paste your URL in. This feature right here, if you determine that the link is incorrect, that's your unlink button. There's also the features of left, center, right, and justify. If you save the article, you're going to be able to see, here's the text box that's the table that's aligned. Here's your symbol inserted. You can see the different headings, and you can see the quotes.